Years. Okay, now, time for your question. Top 7 answers are on the board. Fill in the blank. Banana blank.
Banana Q!
Boat.
Banana boat.
Pwede!
Saan ba natin matatagpuan ang mga banana boat?
Especially those people who love to go, woo, woo, woo! Yes!
Top answer. Stephanie, pass or play?
Play.
Christine.
Say banana bread!
Stephanie,
Banana Q!
Black Hawk.
Banana pudding!
Fill in the blank. Banana Q. Banana Q.
Correct!
Nandiyan ba ang banana Q? Okay. RC. Fill in the
Alright.
blank. Banana.
Split.
Banana split.
Pwede!
Ano yung flavor mo sa banana split?
Lahat.
Lahat. Services. Yes. Running.
Nice!
Fill in the blank. Banana blank. Banana Republic. Banana Republic. Restriction sa isang bansa. Banana Republic.
Nice!
Stephanie,
Banana phone.
dati yung 7110, banana phone.
Ay, naku.
Talaga, may ganon. Banana phone. Wala.
Wala!
Banana.
Cake or
Sundae.
bread?
Banana Sunday. Saan nakakagutom naman yan? Banana Sunday, nandiyan ba yan? Oh, Team Huya, yan, mag-isip na kayo, may chance na. Kung, feeling ko makukuha ni RC eh. Banana, black.
Heart.
Puso ng saging. Buti pa
Ano
ang
yun?
saging May puso. Banana, heart.
Wala!
Eto na. Guys, eto na, didikit na to. Confident na to mga Team Huya. Jason, banana, shake.
Pwede! Nice one, bro!
Christine, same ba? Banana,
Ice cream.
banana
Okay,
ice cream.
I accept that.
Pwede rin. Enzo,
Banana bread.
banana bread.
Nice! But Kuya Rocco will have a tough time deciding.
Ako, isang
But
tamang
good
sagot
luck!
ang kailangan natin para makahabol.
Magkakapuntos na kami.
Okay. Fill in the blank. Banana.
Banana shake!
Are you sure about that? I think one of them may be a false answer, or both of them, or all of them. Kantado! Wala naman yung banana shake dyan. Puta, ina.
Ang ating score, siyempre si Team Huya. Unfortunately, hindi pa nakakawa. Pero si Blackhawk bigla may 261 points. Meron pa tayong tapos.
But it's time to let the studio audience give a shot. Come on, studio audience. Fill in the blank. Banana what? Not, if not shake, if not ice cream, then what?
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Edeline Pakaw.
Ha?
Edeline Pakaw.
Edeline. From?
Masbate City.
Masbate. Edeline. Simple lang. Fill in the blank. Banana?
Ketchup.
Wow! Nice answer. That's so unique.
Heads up for 5,000 pesos.
Wow! Even though we're not so high, but she got one of the answers. Therefore, she won 5K. Hanep!
Everybody number 6.
Before that,
Bread.
yup, that's what I said.
Tama, si Enzo. And finally, number 4. Banana
Wow!
bread. Eto na.
Not even the ice cream were there.
Round ng susunod kay
But my banana bread is right.
Dito sa
Sayang!
2,